Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. And for today's video, we're actually talking about stuff from Urban Outfitters Home. I wanted to share some pieces from them because as I was doing my decluttering and just kind of like packing and figuring out which furniture I want to keep in the long run, I actually stumbled across several pieces that I have from Urban Outfitters Home. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot about Urban Outfitters Home. They have some really awesome, super unique pieces for the home. So that's what I'm gonna share with you guys for today's video. As always, the links to everything that I talk about will be in the description box down below. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is just this coffee table. I specifically wanted to share this with you guys because of the price point. So usually when you find a coffee table like this, it's about $1,500. Nope, this one is just a couple $100, which is insane because it's still really good quality. All the stuff that I've gotten from Urban Outfitters Home has been really exceptional, super high quality. So if you're looking to get that very unique coffee table look, but you don't have thousands of dollars to spend, this is definitely a really great option to check out. Next, we have this absolutely gorgeous floor lamp. Now, I actually saw this all over Pinterest. So many designers have used this to design different rooms with. And each time I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, where is that from? Until finally I did a Google image search and it came back that it's just an Urban Outfitters lamp, which is awesome. I love it. It's a very unique shape. And again, I love their stuff because it just has such a unique and different look. I feel like oftentimes with interior design and decorating, you see the same things over and over and over again. And I feel like Urban Outfitters Home has some really great options that kind of give you that new look that you haven't seen pretty much everywhere. So I feel like this lamp is one of those too. I've seen it on Pinterest, but I haven't seen many people actually show it within the home. So I feel like that's a really great option to check out. Next, these have been super popular and I still love them, especially if you have the space in your home or if you're looking for some sort of shelving or anything. These would definitely be my top recommendations just because I love the unique shape on them. I love both of them. Even if you use this as a TV console, this would be absolutely gorgeous. Or if you use this one as kind of a bookshelf. Personally, I still love these items. I think they're amazing. And again, if you're gonna go for some shelving, I would definitely check those out. And then they also have this one, which is the EBA storage. Now, I think that this one is still super cool. It gives you a very more futuristic, in my opinion, modern vibe. But this would also be super cool to have in the home if you wanted something a little bit more streamlined. Still, I think that this is a very, very unique furniture piece that you can kind of do so much with. I love that. If you had a younger kid and you wanted to put that in their bedroom, I feel like you could also style this and then they could grow with it as they get older. I feel like that's also a really cool furniture piece to check out. All right, next up is a nightstand option. I personally love this. I love the wood on it, but then again, I also love just how unique of a shape this is. You definitely will not see nightstands like this quite many places because again, it's just got this very unique shape to it. I love the fact that it has a storage drawer. So I feel like these would be really perfect in a bedroom if you were in the market for some nightstands and you wanted something a little bit more unique, but that's also super timeless as well. Another great thing that you can find at Urban Outfitters are their mirrors. They always have such unique mirrors, and this one in particular I love because it's on such a large scale. And again, the price point is still really good for the large size you're getting of this mirror. If you were to look anywhere else, this mirror would be $2,000 just because it's so big, but you can get a really great deal on it at Urban Outfitters. So I also love how simple and plain it is. Sometimes you don't want a design to your mirror. A larger mirror, it makes a statement on its own just by the large scale. You don't need a ton of design to it. So I really love that actually about this piece. Next up, we have another just more minimalistic and simple shelving option. I also love this one. It's definitely gonna give you a different look, more of a mid-century modern with a twist. I just personally loved the very unique shape of this one in general. And I think again, a really great option. It also comes in green. So if you wanted a nice green pop of color, this would be great. If you're someone who has a lot of books that they need to store or records, this would probably be a really good option for you. I cannot get over how cute this desk is. And I feel like if more people knew about it, everyone would own it. This would be the next viral desk that we see everywhere. But I feel like that many people just haven't looked at it because it is stunning. It is gorgeous. I feel like this is so cute, and I feel like it's hard to find a desk like this. Like, to me, desks tend to be so ugly. I know CB2 had like a really good one a few years back. That one's great. I feel like this one is just as great, and it's super simple. Again, if you're looking for a new desk, I feel like this one would be a perfect option. All right, and then these little velvet chairs, again, these are very like West Elm vibes, but on a budget, so that's why I love them. Definitely a piece like this, you're looking at like $1,000 if it were gonna be from West Elm, and again, Urban Outfitters has them offered at a much better price point. They also have these in multiple different color options, so I find that that is honestly like a really great option if you're in the market for some accent chairs. This sofa is absolutely stunning. I love this. Like, when I immediately saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you're in the market for like a basic, like streamline style sofa, not like a sectional or anything, I would get this one. It makes like a simple couch or sofa, but like it has like the nicest twist on it. I feel like the shape of this is gorgeous, and you could style it with like a few pillows and it would look stunning. So I would definitely recommend checking that out if you were in the market for a sofa option. Next up is this chair, which I actually have personally owned in the past, and now I see that it is on Urban Outfitters for a lot less than what I paid for it, and it's the exact same chair. So definitely have to shop around when you're buying pieces like this. Sometimes different retailers have them offered at different price points, and you may not be getting the best deal as I see here, but this is gorgeous. I love the velvet and wood on it. I think this is perfect. So if you're in the market for a chair like this, definitely check it out. All right, this marshmallow puff pillow I feel like is absolutely the cutest thing I've seen in such a long time. I love throw pillows like this for my bed. In particular, I like to go with simple bedding and then have some sort of texturing to the pillows. And I feel like these are such a cool option. They're very simple, but they give off like such a nice pop of like texturing to the bedroom. So I would highly recommend checking those out. Or if you have like a velvet couch, believe it or not, I feel like those would look super cool on a velvet couch as well. And then Urban Outfitters has a few different planter options that I love. This first one is definitely going to be more on the simplistic side. You're getting that like cement concrete vibe, which I always love. Then they also have this option of these more like colorful, more uniquely shaped set of two. Love these as well. Urban Outfitters is also a really great place to check out different planters, and as well as like plant hangers for like your ceiling, or like they have wall hangings for plants. Really a great place to look if you are a plant lover. And then I absolutely love this ceramic designer. I've seen her work before. I know they used to carry it at West Elm, so I'm happy to see that they're now carrying it at Urban Outfitters, and I specifically love this little candle holder. I think it is stunning. She like hand makes these. I think they are super great and a really fun option if you're in the market for a new candle holder. All right guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.